Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
And now, welcome to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Jamaica, top of the morning to you, top of the morning to you. Welcome to the excitement. Welcome to the real thing, the real Jamaican thing. With me, Mr. Washbelly, Mr. Mixup An Blenda himself, Ragashanti. Oh my God. Ruth Levy's in the studio with me today, but guess who's behind the board? Shocker, shocker, shocker. None other than the man from Hopewell, Hanover himself. The man himself, man. Come from Hopewell, Hanover, but go school of Montego Bay. So you go now. Edson Johnson! Tambourine, 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 tambourine. Morning, people, morning, people, morning, people. Today, what day? Today, Wednesday or Tuesday? Today, Wednesday, no? I don't know the days, no. I don't know what I want, no. What is today's day? Today, the 12th or the 13th? Today is the 12th. Wednesday the 12th. Champs are come up this weekend, you know. Can we say Calabar? Champs start today. We see all our high school students are going. We see Veer Tech. I go over and thing and whatever. But listen up. Me hear say, I pass your Calabar youth, gang a look at KC youth out a crossroad. Uno stop it. Calabar, uno stop it. We want to say to all of the Calabar students out there behave on themselves. And all like KC students to behave on themselves. Remember, it's all about fun. Big up KC, because we rate KC. Right? Big up Calabar, we rate Calabar. Big up JC, big up Woolmans. And thing, big up all high school. It's all about fun, people. Young people behave on themselves. All right, you see what I'm in the mood to play like a tune. Hold on then. Adams up on the front page of the Observer. Renato Di Cordova Valentino Adams, man, hangs up his guns. By August, he says he will end this time 41 years with the force. We must talk to Adams, give Adam a shout. All right. Edson Road, is it possible to be deeply, deeply in real love with somebody, but you can't there with the person? No, I mean, like, you just can't be together. Some people say that don't make no sense. What is it? Is it possible? Based on the definition of love, that person is supposed to be then, if you're so deeply, deeply in love with that one person, then another person that, you know, the ultimate soulmate for you and the one to whom you're, I mean, most definitions of love, you know, involve some form of compatibility and union and, you know, like a kind of synchronizing. You understand what I say? But it is possible to be deeply in love with somebody, but you can't be with them. You don't think so, Ruth? You say, yeah. All right. And you know enough people have somebody who them did love who... Let's say you have one person in your past who you did really, really love, and if you have a second chance, you'd wish, you say. You have nobody like that. Well, you better answer right, and okay, if anybody will listen, you get it. If anybody will listen as soon as you reach on. Come sit on right here, sir. We need for talk. Anyway. I can read some email. I don't know what's the topic of the week is what is the biggest mix-up and blender you ever in and so forth. I can read some of them email here. Mr. Raga, the other day a girl beat me up for her man. I never know so the man have him woman. I think I'm me own the man. We walk and talk, I feel all right and everything. I said the other day we were walking and I don't know where this girl fly from and start lick me in my face. I said, me shame, Mr. Raga. One of the worst experience ever happened to me. Me living still, and me still thank God. Me tell the man to leave me alone, but serve me right. I walk up and down with the people man them. I should have a knife for sort her out. I choose that she come from behind me and I never see her come up. Make it go so. Plus, me don't know where she come from. Raga, big up yourself. We love you. Yeah, why? Next email. Big up, Raga. Good morning to you and the News Talk family. Raga, I sent you an email. I didn't hear it. When last you played the song, Raise Your Glass, and you big up everyone when you're playing it. On your topic, Mixup and Blender, is a food. Do you know that cassava leaves can be eaten as a vegetable? Blend up the cassava leaves and cook it with veggie mince, broad bean, fish, okra, and some other things. Raga, it tastes nice. It to eat with white rice. It is an African food. Not me cook it. If you want to hear more, ask Miss Bertina McCauley. She don't left her radio. She cook it. Big up, Raga. You make me happy. Hi, next email. Hi, Raga. This is a plan that there is a plan that the Commissioner of Police come in with by removing the M16 from the police. Therefore, the police will not be seen with M16 regularly. They will be seen with less powerful weapons. Bear in mind, Raga, that the gunmen have higher power weapons already that the police and army do not have. What is going to happen now? What the commissioner and company should do is come up with a strategic plan that can reduce crime. What he's doing cannot reduce crime, but cause the police to refrain from challenging gunmen because for them look a pie can't help against the gunman, them big gun. Sorry for we Jamaican. Want to hear your views. Next email, Raga, congrats to your program. My mix-up is I have a friend with tech our auntie man, and the three of them are living at the same house. When the auntie gone to work, the two of them start out. The auntie come home early one day and catch them and beat the man and ask her I need to pay for the mattress and pay for the time. Big up my friend Mary, listen to your program every day. Calabar to the world. Next email. Mr. Raga, one piece of pass upon the university campus. Me catch one lecturer and a student in the parking lot and make out. Me shock out of my wits. The man married and have some big position up here. Anyways, the details. They shall be referred to as Swift and Cameron. Me and my friend in one parking lot one night when we had take stock and we see Cameron. We suspicious same time because we never see him over the parking lot ever. Anyways, we hide out and we watch him and thing. So him drive out a couple of minutes after and we run down the car. So we run, so we hide. Anyways, him last week because we never run fast enough. So we walk and we look for him till we find him in another parking lot. So we turn up and watch him till we see another vehicle driving. Mr. Raga, now one student where we know, we shocked, we nearly kick over. We send two of our friends them go peep. And you want to know what we see and think. Anyways, word to the wise. Always watching the back because you never know who in the bush as soon. Love you. 40s forever though. Continue doing what you do best. Next email. Yeah, for real, big up the uptown lady yesterday. The mistake that we women normally make is to fight the other woman that our man is having an affair with instead of ganging up with each other and beat out the dirty man them. I'm just reading it, just the messenger right now. Hi, Raga. Good morning to you on the News Talk 93 FM family. It is indeed a wonderful day, and I just want to send congratulations to my cousin, Carla Thomas Brown, who has gotten a big promotion at Pfizer Pharmaceutical Company in New York. Carla used to live in Solitaire Road in Kingston, and she still listens every day to your show since I introduced her to it. No matter how high she goes in her company, Raga have to shine, so big her up from her cousin, Ivan, with the New York link. Also tell Doreen to stay off her foot so her knee can heal, although she say your show is medicine for her injury. Make all of the foreign listener them here, especially Jeanette from Chicago. Enough respect, yeah? Raga, I love you. I love all your hype. I love your program. Raga, you're unusual and your program is fun, entertaining, and it helps to keep my stress down. Only for nearly 3 hours now. Raga, tell me, what do you think about this? I am married to this man for over 15 years. The marriage is an up and down relationship, but nevertheless, I hang in there because I love my husband. Things went down and he got a woman pregnant. The child is about 5 years old. It seems as if the relationship with the baby mother never worked out, and now she live with another man. This is it. Every weekend, my husband have to fork our big money to the baby mother who live with man who don't have a proper income, and she The baby mother not work either. Raga, you know, say that my husband money I take care of the picnic mama and our man. Our man I properly get proper support out of my husband pocket. Raga, it hurts me so bad for my husband. It's not someone I can talk to and him hear me. Keep up the wonderful program and what you do to make it so unusual for stressed out listeners like myself. It's about 29 minutes after 9 o'clock. We have a very quick...
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it?
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Yeah, man, but can you believe it this morning? We're just going to read it. Accident ruins 800-pound man's date. Can you imagine somebody 800 pounds? It's a woolly per pound, that, you know. That man, they're big, you know. Mexico City, that's where we are. We're in Mexico. When Manuel Uribe went out on a date, he made all the necessary arrangements. A forklift to carry him out of the house and a flatbed tow truck big enough to haul the formerly half-ton man and his bed to a party. What the box? This man is 800 pounds, you know. He can't come out of the bed, you know. So he arrange to have a forklift, lift him up and put him on a flatbed truck. And the forklift lift up him on the bed, you know. So he go party. When am I going to do the stookie? Room ram? He might go take with himself. Anyway, I could go and read. But even the open road wasn't big enough to handle Uribe's dream of celebrating a budding romance and his success in losing about 440 pounds. My God. He might get 200 pounds and him lose 440 pounds. You know. You can't blame him. The man do him thing. He might celebrate. I would want to celebrate too. Probably not going to a party, but hey, you can't be 1,200 odd pounds, lose 440 pounds, and suddenly think say you can't go dance and enjoy yourself. You have a little ways to go, don't you? Anyway, Uribe was halfway to a picnic near his Monterey area home on Sunday when one of the posts holding a sun-shielding tarp over his bed hit an overpass. Uribe's blood pressure dropped so much his doctors advised him not to go on, and the celebration, being documented by about 24 photographers and reporters from around the world, was cancelled. We were going to celebrate that I've been losing weight for 2 years and that it was my girlfriend's birthday, Uribe said in a telephone interview. The saddest part was that I couldn't fulfill my dream of taking my girlfriend out to eat. Like that, this is sad because, you know, the man I try. Him have the whole per weight and him lose the weight and him I try and him do a little thing for encourage, you know, and it go end up that way, you know. I wish him could have go upon him penny. Uribe says that after losing weight on a high-protein diet he started 2 years ago, he's down to about 800 pounds. Last year, Uribe left his house for the first time in 5 years. 6 people pushed his iron bed on wheels out to the street as a mariachi band played, and the crowd gathered to see the man who once weighed 1,235 pounds. At the time, the 42-year-old mechanic rode through the streets of his native San Nicolas de los Garza to enjoy the sun and wave to neighbors. Uribe weighed more than 215 pounds as an adolescent, and he just kept growing. Since the summer of 2002, Uribe has been bedridden, relying on his mother and friends to feed and clean him. He drew worldwide attention when he pleaded for help on national television in January 2006. Uribe says despite the setback, he still hopes to go out with his girlfriend on June 11 when he will turn 43. We just have to plan it better, he said. I don't mean to be disgusting. I don't mean to be disgusting. I honestly don't mean to be disgusting, right? But, you know, when you weigh either 1,200 odd pound or 800 odd pound, you know, you can't help but wondering how you execute certain functions, bodily functions, like we all have to do, like bathroom, like, Lord have mercy. I'll him leg out when you have to run out of place like thief. That was...
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it?
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we will a break right now. We'll come back on a don't know say Wednesday morning, so we have to talk up the thing straight. And we're going to talk about there's the current Spencer situation that many of you have been asking me questions and that I'm unable to answer. So we have two gentlemen here who are who are current and who stay current on events and so forth, and they're usually very qualified to speak on matters of our national interest. So we're gonna take a little break and we'll come back with a whole reason with Kevin O'Brien Chang and Garnet Roper on the current Spencer issue. We'll soon come back. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing. You don't know the real Jamaican same thing with me, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to everybody out there and thing on a don't know a proper thing. Well, we now look at Wednesday feature right now near Mixup and no, that's nothing. It name talk up the thing straight. Talk up the thing straight. Many of you have been asking me, a multitude of questions on what is commonly referred to as a Cuban light bulb scandal and thing like that. And to be frank with you, I hear this and that too, because people call me and tell me that this and that, and some people try to play me and use me, and I have to gracefully sidestep them and go around them and don't make them come get me in them pricky and thing. But because you've been asking me so many questions, I just figured that I could get two people who I know who are usually in the know and are very good communicators to talk to you and kind of set the record straight on some things that you probably already know or some things that you don't really understand with necessary precision on such an issue that can be a little bit complicated, what with money laundering and them something and so forth. So this morning we have with us Gleaner columnist Kevin O'Brien Chang, and also political commentator and host of the evening edition right here on News Talk 90.
Since Watch pleads not guilty to
News Talk 90. News Talk 93 FM, the Reverend Garnet Roper. Get up Antonio Roll, Edson. Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning, dear Raga.
Yes.
Not hearing you so great, though,
You're not here? Yeah, you hear me now?
Hearing you, but not so great, but hearing you.
Okay, all right, Edson, we'll sort out that. Kevin, I catch Garnet right in the middle of doing his work over there in the prisons and so forth. So he might, at any given moment, he might have to make a quick, exit to go and attend. To go and attend to his work, as minister and as a caring Jamaican.
Must come in, Garnet, for that, for helping the less fortunate.
Right. Garnet, commendations delivered.
People are in prison, Kevin.
Huh?
Now telling him that the people in prison are fortunate.
Garnet Roper right there, never short of controversial statements. Garnet.
Explain to us why Garnet, interest?
Huh?
Here, no? Why you say that?
No, man. You call it the less fortunate.
Well, I call it less fortunate in terms of having been in prison and lost their freedom. That's the context they're looking from.
Yeah. Anyway.
Garnet Roper, ever the provocateur. But Garnet, in a nutshell, could you just tell the Jamaican people what is it that has happened to Kern Spencer?
What do you mean, in respect of the fact that he's now arrested and charged?
Yes. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't know exactly what has happened,
Yeah, well, I mean, the essence of the argument is that in his exercise of his ministerial duty of a particular program which was meant to save Jamaica some carbon credits, or earn Jamaica some carbon credits, which was an exchange from incandescent bulb to fluorescent, from energy saving bulbs.
Right.
Which was a gift of the Cuban people of some 4 million light bulbs.
Right.
That the expenditures involved in the expenditures involved were greater than, first of all, budgeted and greater than anticipated. And that in terms of how these monies came to be expended,
right,
the proper procedures for a contract, for the procurement of a contract, were not followed. And that in some particular expenses, it seemed to me the basic allegation is that the minister benefited either improperly, benefited and benefited improperly, right? Which are two different things. This is the allegation for which charges have been preferred. Now the charges themselves are elaborate, but they are probably, they have a kind of catch-all appearance to me.
Right.
But that is the essence of it. He's charged, he's out on $10 million bail, which already tell you that the court takes this seriously, you know, and or that the court has made up his mind already, but he's out on $10 million.
Kevin, could you jump in here and give us a sense of how damning are these charges?
Well, I think there are two kinds of charges from what we've heard. I didn't hear Garnet totally clearly, but there's some charges clearly that related to the ministerial duties, you know?
Right.
But the other charges, which I think have shocked most people even more, is the, well, for one, we heard about I don't know what you call it, is perjury or whatever, that he didn't speak up about his relationship with people involved in the case and police investigated them.
Right.
I think his baby mother and her mother.
And that is a very serious charge, you're saying?
Right. Well, apparently the lawyer says so. That is not related to his ministerial duty. That is a charge. Any citizen that's charged with that. That's a serious breach of the law.
Well, is that a nice way of saying that he lied to the investigators deliberately? Is that what they're alleging?
No. Let's make one thing here clear.
Right.
In Jamaica, we thank God we have British common law. We're innocent till proven guilty.
Right.
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 These are charges, you know. And
that's what I'm saying. Are the charges saying that he lied to them?
Basically, as far as I understand.
Right.
And plus, there are other ones about criminal proceeds, criminal behavior, and benefiting from criminal proceeds and money transfer. You know, these are not related to the ministerial part. You know,
but Kevin and Garnet, that is where a lot of Jamaicans are confused. You know, in the money laundering area. And that is where I'm getting a lot of questions where I'm saying, I have to even be careful,
Let me try and explain what I understand, right? And I think, I see Ken Chaplin writing a piece in the paper today, and I just want to use that. Ken Chaplin writes a piece to say nobody should comment about Kern. But he then spends all the column inches commenting on Kern, right?
Yeah.
And I think one has to be very careful because in that he's charged, it can be sub judice to discuss the case, right?
Right.
But just
well on Garnet, what that mean? You just get a bossy term that women don't know what that mean.
Well, sub judice means they were trying to override the court and you could be charged with contempt of court and so on. Right?
Okay.
Right. So the court is what is determined the merit of the allegation and define the allegation themselves. But you asked a question about the charge of money laundering. And I've only been able to deduce this from the newspapers. It seemed that there is an allegation that a transfer of funds from the company with the responsibility to manage the light bulb, right? The light bulb.
Yeah.
To an overseas company for the procurement of a Range Rover vehicle implicates former Minister Kermit Spencer. That is to say, he may have been the intended beneficiary of this.
Okay, so you're saying one of the charge. Oh, what's that?
And that is what is called the money laundering.
Okay, so
right. And just to relate it, Governor Spitzer in New York is charged for prostitution, but also for money laundering. That is to say, and the money laundering is that he sent money to one of his accounts, to another account from which to pay. So why they charge him with money laundering is that he attempted to procure the source from which the money came. Or I don't know if it's charged, but that's where the charges could be preferred.
So to the best of your knowledge, that is where the money laundering part comes in, right?
This money laundering is this fact that the argument is that a vehicle was being procured to him.
But how is it that you have 6 counts of money laundering?
Well, I don't know. They can't tell you how they count them, but I'm just telling that's the essence of it.
That's the essence of it. But could it be that because
maybe the transfers were done in 6 transactions?
Okay, I don't know. Okay.
Remember, Kern is not the only one charged also, you know. There's right, I believe, and Roger Chin, who have a lot of similar charges, and they're not government. They're not government ministers.
You have to go release me presently, though.
Okay, Garnet.
I don't know if you have a quick last question, but I have to Go.
No, but okay. Your quick last question, Garnet, is what is your response to PNP executive members essentially saying that they were shocked with the money laundering charges, and rumor have it out there that unfortunately certain information that they should have been privy to were not forwarded in the report that was given to them, that the leader of the opposition, Mrs. Miller, had commissioned, that certain information was not forwarded to them. In fact, that the PNP leadership was blindsided. What's your response to that?
Well, it's clear that the PNP is in a little bit of a horns of a dilemma. On the one hand, the integrity of their movement is in question when somebody as highly placed as a member of parliament and a former minister of state is charged in this way, right?
Right.
And the response in those circumstances should have been to act decisively, even if it means distancing themselves from him as a member of parliament.
Right.
Although they can't expel him without a process of trial.
Right.
Right? And the court, of course, takes precedence over everything else.
Okay.
So they can't go and try him now. The courts have to finish the matter and then that. Okay?
Okay.
But so on the one hand, to act decisively and to reclaim lost ground, they would need some kind of strong statement. It is clear. The second, though, is that they themselves are personally aggrieved because it is clear that Kern was not as forthcoming with them as they would have liked to have been. And I just want to avert to your earlier question about this thing of perjury. He's not charged with perjuring himself because in Jamaican law you have no duty to make an incriminating statement against yourself. You can decline to write a statement or give a statement that is an unsworn statement or some such thing.
Right.
So you're not obliged, and therefore if you fail to, you can be charged for not doing that. This concerns the contractor general. Contractor general, he has a duty in those circumstances to respond to the questions of the contractor general. The contractor general is claiming that he did not respond. But it is clear that he was not as forthcoming as he ought to have been in the mind of the PNP leadership.
Okay.
So the other side of it, however, is that it is clear that there are PNP people who believe that the duty of the party right now is to stand with the comrade. That's why he's a comrade. You can't simply abandon him. So, on the one hand, integrity and the probity of...
Are you saying that there are those in the PNP who say stand with him no matter what, irrespective of whether...
Well, yeah, there is that view, and that's a strongly held view. And in fact, the fact that the new media and the government have gone so much at Kerr has created a reverse sympathy for him. You know, we are a country of the underdog. And once you make him the underdog, you create public sympathy for him. That is just a reality now.
Okay.
That anybody go and do something to Kern is going to backfire on them politically. Maybe not in the long run, but certainly in the short run.
Oh, you mean internally, right? That's what you mean, in the party,
if
right?
the PNP kicked him out now, they couldn't win that seat right now. They have to bring their colleague, their constituents to see the merit of that.
But in 1 minute, Garnet, where does the nation's interest play into this, though?
Okay?
What role does the nation's interest play into those dynamics you just detailed just
The
now?
nation's interest is a kind of funny way to speak about things. We have, first of all, the interest of law, right? Due process.
Right.
We have
because Kern is still innocent right now, and we need to remind ourselves of that. Right.
Process. That's the first thing. And what we need to do is to preserve the superiority of our notion of a country being as a country ruled by the rule of law.
Right.
Secondly, we have the question of the appropriate procedure for good governance and for the accountability in the use of public resources. And let us be clear that Kern is not necessarily going to be the last minister of government to be indicted. Any temptation which is being alleged that Kern acquiesced to others like him in similar position might. So we have to determine what's the best process to ensure the least likely recurrence of something like this to the extent that the allegations are true. So that is a national interest. There is as well a political party which has had a 60-odd year history in Jamaica and which continues to be of importance to the country. And the PNP, in acting, can't spend itself. It can't act in a way to save the media or to suit the new knee-jerk without thinking of the long-term consequence, one way or the other, either to expel Kern or to retain him and support him. Have to run.
All right, then, Ghana. Take care. Kevin.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you're Ghana. Just as I say right now, there's a situation where we're a country of the underdog. And, as soon any little move against Kern right now will invoke public sympathy for him and so forth. One of the debates that's out there is people, the Jamaican people are well aware of certain, activities that occur in government with respect to the management of our resources, and they're not too happy about it. So one of the things I notice people are struggling with is how to be fair to Kern and at the same time establish conventions in governance that will ensure that Jamaica get to a better place with respect to erasing corruption. And what's your response to that?
Well, exactly the point is, the bottom line on all of this, is the charge is taxpayers' money has been squandered. Money you, me, Garnet, everybody, all the listeners pay. We all pay taxes, right?
Right.
This taxes should be used for the benefit of all.
Right.
Not to buy Range Rovers for big people.
Right.
That's the charge, right?
Right.
The first thing is we must the law, our public purse was to protect it. Otherwise, why we pay taxes?
Right.
So that is what you have to prevent. And no, God is dead on the money. That when something bad happens, my feeling is always you can't change the past. You can prevent it happening in the future.
Right.
And the goal is this GLP government in particular, their manifesto. They've made a big to-do about making sure special prosecutors, special laws like this, that these things can't happen again.
Right.
Or should not happen, and especially Mr. Bruce Gold, he has been preaching this from his NDM days.
Right.
No, I've been asking, I'd like more from where are these laws they promise? What's the position? I've talked to some jail people that say, they're being researched, they're coming through and all this kind of stuff. I hope that is so. I would like
but in your estimation right now, the JLP, in your estimation right now, Prime Minister Bruce Golding and the JLP are not as aggressive in implementing these changes and these laws.
You can't just snap your fingers and pass a law,
Okay.
There's a process. But
right.
As I say, I would like to hear from the Prime Minister what stage in the process these laws are, because they're very critical now.
Right.
And one big thing about this case,
yes,
if the PNP had won back in September, the big question is, would we have ever heard about this light bulb thing? Most people don't think so. We'll never know. You can't know. What if, but most people don't think so. Most people don't think the question would have been raised. It would have been raised in Parliament. And we should not have a system of government where we have to wait for one party to be voted out before we find out.
Exactly. Because
if the government start thief, we have to wait 5 or 10 years to find out. That doesn't make any sense.
Right. The PNP have to win for a year if the JLP government does something about it,
Right. And listen, I am not one of those who believe either party is angels or devils, They're all made up of human beings, both parties, and good and bad. You have human nature, temptations. So you have to, it's not to me, Kern is an example, but it's not about Kern, it's about the process.
Right.
That we should have. And as I say, the JLP, Mr. Gold in particular, has promised for a long time that if he ever got the power, he would bring laws that would change the situation, and that even if the sitting government had members doing wrong, you'd have a special prosecutor that can charge. We have seen it in America, where Bill Clinton was president, and he had a prosecutor charge him, right or wrong. The process allowed that,
Right. But wait.
As I said, my fault with the JLP now is, and it's a fault that they should be telling us where are these laws you promised. And we know laws take time, and they have to be vetted and all this kind of stuff. But we want to hear, is it in a process? How soon? Because if these laws, even if Kern goes to jail and Rodney Chin, whatever, right?
Yeah.
If we don't get new laws to prevent it happening in the future, it will be not pointless, but we won't have learned much from this whole process.
Tell me something. Give us a sense of the dilemma, the predicament that the PNP is presently in. Give us a sense of that.
Well, you see, the PNP is in a dilemma because of its own doing.
How so?
Well, there's a saying, and there's a famous saying from the days of Julius Caesar. Caesar's wife, when he divorced his wife, and I asked him why, he said, Caesar's wife must not only be faithful, she must be seen to be faithful.
Okay.
Government has a trust. When we elect people, it's a trust that they are going to use the resources of the country properly, right?
Yes.
And they must seen. We not only must they do it, we public must have confidence they're doing so. They've had many scandals in the PNP in the past 18 years. Many scandals. They're doing net serve, furniture, traffic guru, Salutia, many.
Mm-hmm.
We have never heard anything happening, right? No actions have been taken. Last year before the election, I had one with Universal Access Fund, Salutia, some telephone stuff and money.
Right.
PNP had an internal investigation with Mr. Paul Will on the committee investigating himself. Of course, they absolved him. Right?
Mm-hmm.
This light bulb thing, same thing. Internal investigation. Now they're telling us, oh, we didn't know all of this. We didn't find out all of this. Clearly, if I investigate myself, I'm not going to, if I am thieving, I'm not going to come and say, well, I was found to be a thief.
Right.
The PNP should have been more vigorous. They should have responded. So now the public perceives, a lot of the public out there does not think Colonel Spencer is the be-all and end-all here. They think this is the tip of an iceberg. Now, rightly or wrongly, I don't know. None of us know. But you cannot blame the public for thinking so. You know, they say if you know go close to so.
Right.
We've heard many scandals in the past. We never hear. All of a sudden we hear this one now. When they say, well, maybe all the others, so it did go to.
All right. We have a minute to go. But how I wanted to impress upon the nation how important it is with respect to maintaining the integrity of our judicial process, not to go around convicting current until due process has ensued.
Yeah, well, that is all over the world, you know. It is all over Britain and America. You'll read that. They have cases. Look on this prostitute one.
No, I'm just asking to impress upon the nation how important it is.
Okay, I agree. Okay.
Yeah.
Innocent until proven guilty is the linchpin of law.
Right.
So we should not be assuming this man is guilty. Right. We have to wait for the trial. I mean, the case was everybody was is guilty of a crime would all be in jail.
Exactly.
You know, so this is very critical. So I would say the two critical things here: A, innocent until proven guilty. B, Mr. Golding, make sure these laws pass so we don't hear this happening again.
Wonderful. Kevin O'Brien Chang, thank you so much. Here, sir.
Thank you, Raga.
Yeah, man, enough respect, man. Bless up.
Yeah.
All right, people. I hope that did help to shed some light on the matters, with respect to some of the questions you've been inquiring on of me. All right, we're going to a break right now, and then we're going to rinse the headline news, and when we come back, we'll go to our topic, and then, go to some calls to and things. See? Boom, bang, soon come.
News Talk 93 FM. Real news. Real talk. Heard everywhere.
Yo, on the down knows that the topic of the week is what is the biggest mix-up you ever, what is the biggest rare mix-up and blender, about. You can read off them two emails from yesterday. Raga, the Uptown Mix-Up sell-off. At one point, listening to the lady, I found myself crouching as if I was in the scene and she was describing and whispering to my co-workers as if I was the lady in the room hiding from someone. I got so involved in the scene. She deserved the Mix-Up and Blender award. And I rate the Uptown Mix-Up still. Next email, greetings, Raga. I have a friend named Eddie who have a jewelry shop in Pembroke. Eddie have a friend named, I'm not calling no more name so-and-so, who always come there to make jewelry. Ruddy acts like he's a rooster. Every woman him see. Him want. So next door to Eddie's shop is somebody else. So him say him have to go get that woman them. So says, so done. After months going on, one night after him sat her out, they were talking about family. Then the lady, we will call her Ruth, said to Roddy that her father is very ill. Then Roddy said his family called to say that his father is also ill. By talking and talking, the lady who we're calling Ruth asked Roddy what is his father's name. He said something like Mas John. And then she said, but that is what they call my father too. To cut a long story short, Roddy found out that it was his sister, who we are calling Ruth, and not calling him. He was sorting out all along. Raga, you can imagine? What would you do in a position like that? Richie Fortis forever. No Rabalak around here, Richie. We're rating, we're brethren, but you can't go and try fight the Rabalak. Calabar to the world. Here we go to the phone line. Stop of the morning to you. Hello.
Raga morning.
Greetings.
You know, so from yesterday, I want to call the Uptown Mixup, Raga.
Mad.
May I tell you?
Zin.
May I tell you, the Uptown. And as EJ say, boy, you good, sir. Yeah, oh my, oh dear. What you saying? Yeah, you know, you fix up the language for suited. And may I tell you,
no,
we
just adjust.
Miss Uptown,
yeah.
may I tell you, Raga, she have it fat. And one thing I like
she vibes, you know, she vibes.
Go after our talking. Only sometimes when she say, and yes, Raga, but she still have up her English.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
No, nothing wrong with
right.
that. That's what I'm going to say. You know, she's a true Uptownite. Yeah. She's a true Uptowner, you know, so thing there. So I just got me that call for say yesterday.
All right, Edgar.
All right.
Bless up. To the phone lines, we'll go top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Greetings.
Morning, Ragashanti.
Yes.
What's up?
Why am I day I give thanks?
So how you sound, so?
How my sound?
We don't know.
Huh?
We don't know how you sound, so, but you sound one way to me.
But if you sound one way, you have to tell me what is the way.
No, make it stay away then.
All right.
We don't mix up and blend, because me change my lifestyle.
You change your lifestyle, so yes. You did in and in?
Eh?
You did in and in?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of mix-up you ever in?
But me leave it where it is.
You leave it where it is?
Yes, I don't.
No, you can't come here, tease. We're not give with the met.
No, me leave it where it is. Me just call to say hi. Me send how they do for you yesterday. You get it?
Me don't know what you're talking about.
You not get it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I said I call and I tell the person to tell you hi. Did you got it?
No, we not get it.
Okay. Well, it's Miss Experience.
Hey, Miss Experience, what's up? Well,
nothing much.
May I hear a weird look at echo here? Oh, whoa.
Me no have no echo, so I must see you.
No, man, I know you. May I talk to the technical operator.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, man, me never get the shout out.
Okay, because I tell you hi, and the uptown lady there.
Yeah.
She has a one.
She has a one. Mad up the thing yesterday, don't you?
I was me know the part that side again. She has a one.
Right. So what you going with now, Miss Experience?
Me?
Yeah, what going in your life right now?
All the political mix up in my life, but me turn it over to Jesus.
You turn it over to Jesus?
Mm-hmm.
Are you saying then share one I mix up with her?
No, no.
Why? Just tell us something what happened to you recently, man. One little interesting thing what happened to you recently.
Recently, like one, no. Me not
anything, no, any little thing, like something interesting what happened to you recently. Like what somebody do you or something what happened. Or if you slip on a banana peel in a mandible and drop or something. Tell us something interesting what happened to you.
Lord, Ragashanti, you wrap my brain. Me put on that, you know, man.
No, but me just tell us something what happened to you.
All right.
Yeah.
Something what happened to me. Not happened to me that I feel they like the mix up. Me not tell you something.
Well, all right, tell me. What happened to you recently? What going on for you recently?
Recently, me and my husband part.
Yeah, your husband part?
Yes.
Okay, like how long now?
About a month now.
Mm-hmm. Is this the same man where you didn't marry to?
Yes, the same man when me road left in a church.
Okay, but no, another one where they send for you from foreign.
Him same one.
Him same one and thing. So how long the marriage did last?
2 years.
Okay, and you and him just part on the divorce?
No, we just part. We tell him say it's over. Him tell me say it's over because he has some little dirty fault and me can't.
Him have some dirty fault. Him have move wrong.
Yes.
Why the man I want you? Why am I going? Where am I going?
Him move wrong, and then no, he take me for big old novice.
Okay. Why am I going? What kind of generalship am I going?
Well, the generalship when going with him married to get more pension off of me head.
Him married to get more pension, more money off of you?
Yeah.
No, but remember, say when you the time when you did engage and thing, and you never did all want to give out the other engagement ring and thing. No, him did I go send for you. I never him.
No, I on over him. The say, one man on me past Ragashanti. We are drag me brain for Ragashanti.
Okay, no, my apologies. I drag him. So him did I look money from you?
No, in a look money from me. When American citizens get married to a Jamaican woman
Yeah.
or get married,
Yeah.
normally when he reach pension age or pension stage, if he forget $10 for pension, he would get 15 or 20 because he's no longer working. So the government now fit in this and help him out.
Oh. So
You
wait, him
understand?
I use you this or no?
So he might use me this and me find out.
So him did a collect a good more money.
So when he married now and he asked for the marriage certificate, I never want to send it to him because I suspect everything. So
He want the marriage certificate for do something.
Yes, so me send it. So he keep saying that he ma file for me,
Uh-huh.
But me doubt it all along 100%. And everybody I tell me say, boy, they know say me a all witch, but I know say go me fi just give it a try.
Okay.
Anyhow, when me get to find out, same as how me put it on paper, I see him say work out.
Uh-huh.
So he come out here the other day. And
So well on said all this time in 2 years him send for the marriage certificate, him never file nothing.
no, he never file. I just ready in start file.
Okay.
So the file him a file where there you know. The government now want back tax paper for something another tax paper from him.
Tax return, right?
Yes, tax return, thank you.
Right.
So him never pay no tax. So him now have to go pay up all the tax return money.
Right.
Before he can file for me.
Right.
So because he no want do it because he mean in pick quarreling with me.
Am I pick quarrel with you, Sewa?
Yes.
Sewa?
Uncle tell me, but me do him something because he mean. So me act upon him one way. It's like me cold shoulder him.
What you mean?
When me say cold shoulder, you know when the cold shoulder somebody, all over the person.
Oh, okay. You're just okay.
Me just act normal. It's
Yeah.
like me no glad to see him.
Okay. I
You
know
understand?
and what that make him take him.
And that now making use that as an excuse.
Okay.
But you me did want him to move. Me give him the cold shoulder.
Okay.
So he come out. So me get to find out say it was all that. So me just say it's over and done.
Okay. So what you going to get divorced?
Yes, I want my divorce. Why not? I'm in the church. I cannot marry again, but I decide to go on with my life because I'm working, I'm helping myself, I'm making my house. Everything is okay.
Hold on. Why you say you cannot marry again? If you get a divorce, you can marry again?
No, yes, I can marry, but to me in the church, me a member in the church, me a sing pan choir, me a usher, me a everything.
So what is wrong with that? Why you can't marry again?
No, I don't think the pastor will agree with that.
What the pastor have to do with your life, Miss Experience? After him is not the pastor give you guidance and thing. The pastor can't tell you who you must do with that.
No, but you see, and again, he'd have to be in the church. And to be honest, me in the church, but me not see nobody in the church.
So you are saying the next, if you're going to marry somebody else, it have to be somebody from the church.
It would be somebody from the church.
And you don't see any of them in the church, right?
Nobody in the
So
church.
I bet you just don't even marry.
Yes, because
So-
Ragashanti, at the end of the day, when me put everything together the other day, me make my daughter laugh. She said, Mommy, that's bad, but me I feel laugh. Me said, darling, we were talking because me and my daughter have a good relationship.
Right.
And me say, say, between your father and the few guys I talked to and the one me married, put them in a one barrel and shake them up and send them down Spurtree Hill and meet them at the end of the hill. None of them can make one. Just say, oh God, Mommy, that is bad.
No. The whole of them together
All
can't
of
make
them,
one.
Mr. Reggae, every one of them had the same God Almighty fault.
Oh, Lord. So wait, you're going to just remain alone for the rest of your life,
I'm
no?
just going to remain alone.
For the rest of your life?
Yeah, for the rest
Nobody?
of Nobody.
Nobody?
No.
Nobody?
No, Ragashanti.
Just you and God?
Been there, done that.
Just you and God are going to travel now?
Me and God I go travel now.
All right, Miss Experience. It's a
Right.
good and safe journey. I don't think that should be the way to go.
Well, if anything changes, Ragashanti, I'll call you.
Well,
Let you
okay,
know.
good. I
I'll
mean, there's
keep you
nothing
up to
wrong with
date.
being alone, because people can be
Well,
happy and
Ragashanti,
alone.
it's
That is good too.
It's better to be alone
Right.
than to live a dirty, nasty life as far as home.
Well, that's true.
You understand?
That's true.
Because at the end of the day, say certain things now go take place because you put yourself in a certain position.
Righto.
You understand?
Yes.
And anybody are going to knock upon your door, you have to wonder who is that, And
Uh-huh.
then they could wait there. So it's best. I think it's best for me right now, who have been there, done that,
Right.
and meet so many downfall. I think it's best for me to be on.
All right, then. Blessings, yeah?
Bless you.
Yeah,
is
man.
that Anne-Marie from... Did talk to you a while ago?
Marie, yeah? Marie,
is
yeah.
she?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope she's listening. Hi, Marie. Take care. Love you all.
All right, yeah,
Bye-bye.
man. Bless up.
Right.
Here we go. Top of the morning to your next call. What is the biggest mix-up you ever had? What the biggest blender you ever had in the morning? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Raga.
Yes, speak up, please.
Hello, Raga.
Yes, hello.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay. The Uptown mix-up there yesterday fell off.
I was zen.
But me have 1 year to it, but me not going to really tell you that one day.
So why you tell me say you have 1 year to it, but then you're not going to tell me? You can't call the radio and not do that.
No, me not going to tell you that one day. Me going to tell you one other one. One next day, me call you and tell you that one day.
Oh, you're not telling. Then suppose we want to hear that one. All right. Tell me the one the most, the one with pepper the most.
All right. This girl, I used to live by this house.
Yeah.
And we live upstairs and she lives downstairs.
Yes.
And one night, it was a Valentine night.
Yeah.
Time last year, it was a Valentine night.
Okay.
And me in the bed asleep now, Raga. And when me...
Hold on. Just speak in your phone and louder, please, yeah?
When me there in my bed asleep,
yeah,
me hear one tumbling downstairs. So when me run out of my bed now, I go find out I was stumble. When me go in the passage, it was my roommate. I buck up in the passage, I'm frightened, you know. But both are we frightened because she no call me if it's a mix-up I go downstairs and call her. We just run out and buck up.
Right.
So when we run out now, she tell me, say, boy, the man next door come catch one other man in the house. But Raga tell me where the man will come through in the house. You see little buckle black them where they have on the veranda?
The little what?
Buckle black.
Buckle black? Me don't know what that.
You don't know a little buckle black them where they have on the veranda, where them use as a the little buckle black them Raga where them use for the veranda color.
Go on, me figure it out.
Okay, yeah, that a man walk through and come in at the house. So when him come in at the house now, the other man run out. So when the other man run out now, because him coming and him greet the woman with chocolate and flowers and whatever.
The man who are coming?
Yeah, the man who are coming in.
So he come in with chocolate and flowers and then something and there's a man in there with him woman?
No, the man never in there with the woman. The man walk through the back block and come in, but he never knows if the man the home. So he invite that the man to come over. You understand me?
Oh, hold on. Say that part there again.
The man, fitting right man, I just next door, just a wall apart.
Right.
So that the man they know, she never knows that the man they home. So he invite the other man to come in at the house.
Okay.
So when the man come in at the house now, the man just greet him with him chocolate and greet her with her chocolate and her flowers and everything like that. But Raga, the lady, she look good, and she have a big daughter.
Yeah.
So you see the same chocolate and flowers where the daughter give the man in the day, and the same chocolate and flowers the man come give the mother in the night.
Well, so but are the daughter for the mother that?
Yes, the daughter for the mother.
So wait, the daughter give the man chocolate and thing, and the man carry go back, go get the mother?
Go get the mother.
But why if the daughter they give and say, give this to mommy?
No, they never know. The man never know say, a mother and daughter in the with.
Oh!
Yeah.
No, him never know say a mother and daughter him there with?
No, him never know say a mother and daughter. So at the morning now, because they have one piece of mix-up down there, there, quarrel and fight and rare, but the daughter never involved in there because the daughter never see which man run out of the house.
Okay.
At the morning now, the daughter take up the gift and I look for it, which the man never knows that it's from such to such. So he never knows that daughter right penny. So
right.
When the daughter look for the morning now, at the same chocolate and gift where she get the man carry back and give the mother.
So him there with the mother and the daughter together. I don't know say them a mother and daughter. And the daughter go give him a gift. Chocolate and what? Flowers, you say?
Chocolate and flowers. I don't know if the flowers did it night, because you know what woman not go really give a man flowers.
Flowers. But you said definitely chocolate.
The chocolate.
So the daughter now, she just a give her man chocolate, right? And don't even know said the man wish I get chocolate there with her mother.
There with her mother.
And the man is so careless that the chocolate where the daughter go give him as him woman, him basically a carry that chocolate go give him next woman.
Him next woman.
Who turn off a bit the mother at the person
mother.
who him there with.
Yes.
What a prekkie. So how the other man come in right now? Where him a want now? Where him come from now?
Him are the man where live next door.
Okay. Who there with the mother?
Who there with the mother.
So
he heard stumbling in the house now, and he want try to come in at the house, but the mother eventually lock the grill, so him can come in. So him just walk to the back of black, come on the veranda, and come to the room and come find them.
Okay. So I be a mix up there so then?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, so the mother play the field, and him a play the field with the mother and the daughter, and don't even know what.
Yes.
Chocolate a come from daughter, go to mother. The man a sneak in a house with the chocolate and thing, a buck up on next man and thing. I be a ready, so man.
I be a mix up.
Why I tell you.
Yes,
all right, then blessings and respect here.
All right.
Yeah, man, protection. I could read that email here before we take a break. Good day to you, Raga. I know you hate lengthy emails, but please hear me out on this. I am a regular listener to your program, but I don't have the convenience to participate, so I have to wait until I get home to send emails. I just have 2 ideas for your show. 1, why don't you have a mix-up of the week, similar to TVJ's Bite of the Week, where you could replay the best Mixup and Blender. Some of these are not blenders, but really them a cement truck mixer, the way them had. I think the Uptown Mix-Up that was aired on the 11th of March was the best of them all this week. 2, why don't you try this topic next week? Is the birth month associated with a person's character? Example, woman who say December men are liars, selfish, and cheaters. We already did that topic, darling. We did it for an entire week, and it did sell off. But thank you for your suggestions, and particularly with the mix-up of the week and thing and bite of the week. By the way, the young people are having fun out there with that TVJ thing, You hear Edson? Bite of the week. You hear them in high school about, yeah, my youth are going like say you work for TJ and come give man bite of the week. I will have break so come.
News Talk 93 FM. Heard everywhere.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the real Jamaican thing, the number 1 entertainment talk show in Jamaica with me, Mr. Mixup and Blender himself, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti. Again, people will look for the support Sunday, 7:30 backyard scene, Mixup and Blender with Ragashanti and friends. At 7:30 this Sunday, backyard is only 3 bills for forwarding and thing, and we'll look for the support and thing. Quick email, morning Raga, this is Ava and Pat from JUTC in Rockford Dipper. I want to make a program so bad. Yesterday the show sell off, especially with the Uptown lady. Then here, oh my God. Trust me, I make over day every day, Raga, bless up. To the phone lines, we'll go top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Greetings.
Yes.
All right.
I called to give you a mix-up and blender because my sister, I love this too.
All right, say it on.
All right, this story was told of this man and this woman. They were living together.
Uh-huh.
One day the man come home and can't find the lady.
Uh-huh.
So him decide to walk the river stream.
For walk the river stream? I look for her?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Because they was living very close to the river.
Right.
When he walk the river stream, walk up at the top, him not see her. When he go down to the bottom, him see her and see one man a sort her out.
Him see him a man a sort out him lady down the river bottom?
Yes. And they was in the dog position.
Okay.
And when my man did a sort out, none of them not see the man, So he just the man instrument slide out.
Hold on. Yeah, not too much details, yeah? Hold on, we'll make sure so we engineer position. You're good? All right. So wait, so the man who catch
Tambourine for that one, Raga.
So I want to make a tambourine. So wait, the man who catch him woman with that next man, when he catch them them kind of pull way, right?
Yes.
And him ball out and say, don't put it in back.
Yes. Don't put it in back. Tambourine one, Raga.
All right, we get that one. Look at Tambourine. All right.
Don't put it in back.
Don't put it in back.
Yeah, I want to pick up some people. I want to pick up Di, Miss Beth, Marcel and Pat.
Yeah.
Rennie.
All right.
And Tracy.
All right, bless up here.
Yeah, man, take care.
Yeah, man, protection. All right. Next email. Morning, Rag. I know it's not an advertising program, but I'm asking you if you could help me find my daughter. Her name is Kerry Ann Davis, believed to be living in the Portmore area. Mother Leona Martin. This is her father, Asfael Davis. Contact 463-0502 or 756-0876. Again, 463-0502 or 756-0876. Well, we don't mind helping, and thing, It's just that when we do these things, all of a sudden, we get like 30, 40 requests, and then if we're not careful, it changes the focus of the programs. And it's like anytime we help somebody with something, it's like 20 odd people come in, with similar things. Yeah. So that's how the thing set up. That's why we kind of ease off more time. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, great things.
Raga?
Great things. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Me, Miss January.
All right, Miss January, what happened?
Me never mix up, but trust me, the Uptown Bangarang that yesterday is bad.
Man.
Me laugh until hear what happened. I'm going to let out some of what she want put in the powder dish.
Okay, all right.
So when me dash, listen me now, when me dash to the bathroom, my son in the bathroom.
Hold on. You have on your radio? There's a radio near you?
No.
Okay.
Near no radio.
Yeah, go on talk, yes.
So when me dash to the bathroom now, my son in the bathroom, when I'm going to let out some urine,
Yeah.
Me have to run. When me look up, me live near the roadside, When me look up, no the man on the light post, telephone man, I fix the telephone wire. Me say, guess what me did want to reach for? Not the border dish too.
So when you say the bathroom, you say run, go in the back, go sort out yourself. And then I never noticed the man up on the light post.
Hold on, me look the man out, come near the roadside, the man up here the
light post. I see everything, eh? Oh, sure.
Listen to me, that one that was good.
All right.
The Uptown lady that really have to go get the bite of the week.
Okay, all right. Yeah. The mix-up of the week.
Mm-hmm. So, I want to say big up to my son. I tried to get it yesterday, but I couldn't get it.
All right.
It was his birthday yesterday.
Yeah.
Happy belated birthday to my son, Hal Ranson Roberts. He was 17 years old yesterday. That's my baby.
Congratulations to him, too. You're and blessings to you. You're Miss January, straight family member.
Me now left him. Big up to Mr. Justin Spence. He was sales rep from Cable and Wireless. Him read us. He might listen right now.
All right, then. Enough respect to him, man. See, bless up. That was Miss January, family members. Here we go. Next email. Good morning, Raga. You're not easy. You never stop until a lady tell you her business. You're a real mix-up here. You draw up Miss Experience a while ago. Big up yourself from Kim. Here we go. Time for the morning to you. Hello.
Raga.
Boom.
Raga, my family.
They are my king.
Yeah, I'm on a crime stop,
Yes, crime stop.
Yeah, me here, Miss January said the Uptown lady, you forget the bite of the week. Careful, my brother.
Why I know you're going to come here with one of you? So what go on?
Why would they have a family? And that's my still. I don't know.
You see, everything cool, man. We don't know, if out there on the hustling and thing. And you don't say you got 3 hours straight with your lady, so you have to keep your body in shape. At 3 hours, they say at 6.
3, man.
3, non-stop, without resting and thing. We still don't believe you. But you make me talk on the phone and she said it really goes off a true.
All right.
I'm going to believe she necessarily I tell life here, but I think. Everything all right, otherwise, eh?
Yeah, man, everything blessed up otherwise. But, Raga.
Wow.
But I have no mix-up as big as Kurt Spencer mix-up still,
But?
So you know what I'm about tonight.
No, but a union crime stuff, A union where your name, but
yeah, me I go get a little thing still.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
But before, I want to look up on the little careless policeman who showed the little 11-year-old over there.
Oh, Zen?
You see me?
Zen?
For real, man. I'm from where they want to call you and talk, but they don't know. Come here, say, General, 11-month-old baby, and you see me?
Yeah, me and some of my police friend them catch her because them argue say, Raga, you have to understand that police business are this and that, and sometimes mistake. But I say, no. But based on how certain thing explain and thing, it sound like some kind of little, it sound like some kind of flip and carelessness led to that happen. A little bit of hype they did it. And thing, you know.
Me, I'm not usually have all my bus and thing, and more time me go out and shoot all 2-3 put it to you see me? When all the driver flip or anything. You see me? And remember one day I'm downtown and a policeman come and I say, boy, I'm take one thing put on record. And I say, yo man king, I'm a thing license insure and I'm not depend on different route and I offer you me there.
Yeah.
I hear something for there. You see me?
Because you know me always say big up police, because people go and like say, you have some wicked police there, but all police have somebody pitney too. Yeah, police have pitney for feed too. Police out there work also for them family to understand. And no police risk them life, people, you understand. Yeah. But we just have some more time. It's my issue with it, is that, and we have to be careful here, is that police behave differently in a certain area than them do in another area.
That's true. That's true.
And that's just the reality. Yeah. And we have to ease part for that. And unfortunately, police treat ghetto people very different than when them go other area.
If them see a dress a certain way, them deal with you different too, Trust me.
Yo, when we younger, the young people they don't know about them something. Hey, so one time I walk and police come to me and say, what? Diamond socks? A diamond turleen and all. Pop, when I be a back stop, me get
And Clarks.
Yeah. Bally, if you have your Clarks, you remember Travel Fox too?
Yeah, man.
And then you have your Travel Fox Clarks I buy. You remember my shirt in a white collar shirt?
Yeah, man.
I remember when Nitch Ganzi come in I Sonata, the whole way I wear Nitch Ganzi because of fashion. Police used to take it point.
English one them.
Yeah. When I tell them, the police will come and say, yo, tunnel loop boy. I know you used to make your pants with tunnel loop. Yo, tunnel loop boy, come here, you're a gunman. I said, no, you can't even wear your own clothes. Yeah. You can't even have a look at ghetto fashion. I take that thing. Back in the idea though,
Yeah, but even nowadays I see them thing.
Well, you know, get what doing. Tell we mix up quick though. Tell we mix up quick.
Alright, Raga. Yeah. Long ago.
Yeah.
Long ago.
Long time ago. Before you're there, you're there now. Go on.
Alright, you have this girl still, virgin baby mother and thing,
Yeah.
And like, trying them there and things, so may I avoid her still, look,
Yeah, talk look louder, yeah.
But that work, Raga.
Scene. Yeah.
She'll put little argument to me and thing, but one thing lead to next.
So your virgin woman I put an argument to you, yeah?
My virgin baby mother.
Baby mother, okay.
See, so, and, it end up that she come over and a little thing go down,
What you mean a little thing go down? In other words, you go sleep with your virgin baby mother?
Yeah, well,
starting out, go on. Slappings go on, all right.
Thing, And, it's like, say, the girl left certain little things at my place in my room. You see me?
No, well, I know. Like, you know them leave here and airing and them something, That you refer to?
She left some, I wish she left again. I don't watch her something.
Yeah.
In my bedroom. But now, like, my virgin come check me.
Yeah.
And say, boy, I'm over like a thing for sort out.
Say, my what?
It was something for sort out. Say, I want to borrow my base. So I say, yeah, man, everything, Chris,
Yeah.
And I'm going in the room with the cat.
Yeah.
I'll borrow up on him, baby mother.
So wait, him baby mother abon him with you, and him come contact you for use your room for burn him baby mother with somebody else.
Right.
And when him burn the baby mother with somebody else in your room, him find him baby mother watch her or something like that.
Yeah.
And then what?
I'll be an argument by Ray,
No, man, they you can't. No, man, no. Listen, there's one thing you need to. When you get meta and sauce, you can't use them generalization. Right. Specifics, details. What happened after that?
Him talking about it, and I said, boy, Jano, but I tell you about, I never know how you react and thing, and an argument, and but him couldn't wire me still in the car. I had bad man for him.
Oh, then?
So him just cuss and him vex and thing, and some other bridging go talk to him and sort him out and thing, and
So hold on. You said you didn't want to tell him that was an honorable thing to do.
Tell him.
Right?
But we never sure how he would have take it.
No, but yes, you did want to tell him. How about not sleeping with your brethren, baby mother?
You
did try. Uh-huh. Were you raped?
Yes.
Were you okay? You were raped.
It's a force.
It's a force, yeah. Okay, against your will, don't it? Against your will.
Boy.
And it was traumatic and painful for you, don't it?
It was. I'll know when I recover.
I'll know when I recover.
But still, I get therapy.
Boy, I see what. All right, my noobs.
Yeah, man.
We don't want to go down that part. Next thing you hear, the wicked people and go say, there you go, making fun of rape. Which is not what we're doing, obviously.
We'd never do that.
No, but them wicked enough to do that, you know. So them love takes it from me.
Big up the Broadcasting Commission.
No, I'm going to stop do that.
You stop do that?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, bless my family.
Yeah, now I say nothing more there, so yeah. Whatever. It's a democracy, it's a free country. You big up who you want, big up and you don't, big up who you don't want, big up based on how they move, right? Simple. Anyway. Email Raga, it is called a ballista. It's shaped like a Coca-Cola bottle. It's used to decorate. Oh, they might talk about the thing, yeah. The thing where the person talk about. You know, let me just say something here because we don't want a misunderstanding. You know, what me just say in reference to the Broadcast Commission, it's not to the Broadcast Commission in entirety. You know, it's, individuals and so forth who happen to have power and so forth and and thing. So I don't want everybody at the Broadcast Commission thinks about the whole land or not no go so. And thing. Everything is everything. Blessings, peace and respect. Everybody proceed and we move forward. There we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, morning, Raga. I'm a first time call, I know.
Okay, for real.
You know, I'm listen to your program every day, Raga. I mean, how much credit, I just go straight.
You see it? Yeah, talk no? Well, she really never have much credit. What happened there, sir? Huh? She got? Oh, the credit really done for true? Oh, she sound like one away, you know? No, call back. Can we arrange a little link here? Call back. We just call back. I look like a credit done and thing. Just sound back up. Yeah? Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello?
Yeah, Raga, bless.
Bless.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Madu, bless. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah. Bless.
Yeah, first time for your program, you see?
Yeah.
I love your program.
Yeah.
So I want to big up my mother, Lana, Mullines Road, and my daughter, Monique.
Hold on, is there a radio playing in the background? Please don't listen to the radio because you're listening to it and you get it delayed and it causes confusion. We're tired for telling her. Don't do it, please.
No, I'm not near the radio. See me?
All right.
I want to know when the CD come out, you and Bella clash.
Well, we don't really have a CD, I think, about the clash, I think. But Bella make music and me make music, so songs will come out,
Yeah. We should have a clash, because trust me, I'm rate on you kill him.
All right.
Man, so next time, then,
all right,
pick up yourself,
yeah, man, enough respect, man.
Love.
All right. Here we go. Time for the morning to you. Hello. What is the biggest mix-up you ever in? What is the biggest precca you ever in? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Morning, Raga.
Morning.
I'm just, first time on your show, I'm just calling to tell you that the mix-up, the Uptown mix-up was good.
Yeah.
And that lady that called about the buckle black, it's ballista. And some people call it decoration black.
Right, decoration black. Yeah, man, we get several emails already, I tell you, and I confirm that.
Enjoy your program.
Yes, man. Blessings. Where you calling from?
Mobile.
Montego Bay, yeah. Montego Bay, enough respect here. Which part of Bay? CLM, all right. Big up all CLM massive. Enough respect, yeah?
All right, you too.
Yeah, man, protection. Yeah, man, what is the biggest mix-up you ever in? We need some people to respond to the topic. Biggest mix-up, biggest precca, biggest rare, biggest tear. Give me a shout. Morning. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
You can hear me?
Yeah, man, may I hear you, man?
Morning.
Morning.
Call you to give you the biggest ray.
Rinse it.
Hear this now. When you did it in the community.
Yeah.
So everybody have plans for them are going funeral.
Yeah.
3 weeks past, the funeral can't happen. 4 weeks past, the funeral can't happen. Anyway, them say my burial was Seventh-day Adventist church.
Uh-huh.
Everybody dress up one Sunday now, say them are going to the funeral.
Uh-huh.
When we are the funeral, the body reach, people reach, the body not reach.
The what reach?
The body can't reach, but the people them did their wait.
Uh-huh.
Only for years say, the money never pay for him if he come at the Seventh-day Adventist church yet.
Uh-huh.
And left the funeral parlor yet.
Uh-huh.
The announcement when we get, we hear say, he might bury a dove cat.
Uh-huh.
When we did it, we wait, everybody a quarrel and I said, then can't wait no longer.
Uh-huh.
We sit down, we quarrel, we fun. We wait, pastor come, body can't reach.
Uh-huh.
Money no pay, and Western Union no open past Sunday.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, some phone call make out a door with one of his sister.
Yeah.
And some money borrow, and then go pay the funeral parlor and the body end up come.
Okay.
When the body come now, the pastor church it. When we hear say a dove cat in figure, then we hear say a number 5 cemetery.
Uh-huh.
When then church him, already if he can go at the cemetery now. When we reach a number 5, then say the whole not ready yet. Everybody get fed up. Only fears are down there, so the whole they know.
So wait, when they reach it, I said the whole already yet.
Yes, but then they said the whole already down at bottom.
The whole.
When we go down there, guess what?
Well, you kill me.
When we go down there, guess where we see? The whole just appear. Somebody just come out of it for him going the car that the money they just pay too.
Well, lad, when them said the whole already, but they said they go and hold down a bottom.
Yeah, when we go down there.
Yeah.
The whole just appear with whitewash.
Oh.
Him going there. So all I could have do fling him in the cover him up and left number 5 cemetery down.
Okay. This is number 5 down near to Jungle way there?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't have Punish Town Road down there, so. Number 5, Maypen Cemetery.
Maypen Yata?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So them just throwing the body in, so everybody did that, eh?
Some go about them business, everybody get fed up. Little did about the pastor did have it until when they go down in a grave.
Okay. So everything was just a money issue?
Yeah, quick money. Quick money per Sunday. Quick cash.
Okay. Well, bless up for that one. I want the pepper.
All
right. Yo, big and serious though, you know. You did have one, you know, I think out of 2 miles or somewhere with a pain line, you know. The funeral parlor in the heads, turn up, you know. Hearse turn up, you know. The man come out, you know, wheel out the casket, you know. Wheel it, go right in the middle of the church, push the casket, go right so people say the body come and thing and whatever. Boom, the man who open the casket, you know, and just go out there and go sit down. When the people them go out there, nobody not in the casket. So they run, go down and say, yo, you know, like them I say, yo, no miss. You know, see, you see nobody not in there. The man say, me know. So the man say, but how you just bring the body? So him say, him have to deliver what the people them pay for. And him say, I don't want nobody sue him. So apparently the people them pay for the transportation of the casket, you know. Pay for the man, take the casket out and put it in the church, you know. But them never pay for the body part. So them never put in the body part. So the man I say, him have to deliver. He is obligated to deliver what the people them pay for. So if they pay for casket for deliver, him must deliver casket. Where if them not pay for the body for in the casket, that is not for him business. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Here we go, top of the morning to you.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, good morning, Raga.
Greetings.
First time on your program.
Welcome.
Yes, I have a mix-up for you.
Yeah, make sure you go somewhere where your coverage good here.
Uh-huh.
Make sure you stand up somewhere where your coverage is good right now.
Oh, I'm on a cardless. You hearing me now?
Okay, you may want to go nearer to your base, yeah?
Okay.
All right then, talk now.
Yeah, when I was going to high school,
yeah,
I had a friend, close friend.
Yeah.
And I had a boyfriend.
Yeah.
And Mr. Raga, the girl get close to the guy, so everything when me tell her about the guy,
yeah,
she go back to the guy. That time I never know say I envy the girl, envy me.
Oh,
them
see.
Time the LA gears I wear.
Yeah.
I go arcade and get me buy me LA gears.
Yeah.
So me go now and I tell her, I say, well, the guy buy the LA gears for me.
Oh.
And Mr. Raga, the girl get involved with him, you know, with my boyfriend now, you know.
Yeah.
And him start to act some way, and me wonder how him act, but me never know, say, she want to be friend with him.
Okay.
So, she, we did have a fete at school, and we go to arcade and buy up things to go at the fete, and she never have nothing to wear, so I lend her some of my stuff. What we had before.
Yeah.
And Mr. Raga, the girl, want to get involved with the guy now, so she start to tell the guy all sort of things about me.
Yeah.
When me tell her, say, like, you know, a boss as friends.
Yeah.
Boss and tell a friend,
Right.
And Mr. Raga, we break up, but guess what now? Him live right in front of me.
Yeah.
Like, the Christian that we on.
Yeah.
My house over here, so his house, so me can stand up on my gate and I look over field.
Zin.
Anyway, him say we break up, and she now introduced me to one of her friends.
Yeah.
That is a guy.
Yeah.
So that time I don't know, say I set the girl, I set me up, you know.
Uh-huh.
So the guy come at the house now, come at my house, you know.
Uh-huh.
And when the guy come at my house, me let him in, because they have the carport, the veranda.
Yeah.
So me never lock the door, because true, just I go talk with him, but true, him break up with me, but me still no feel good to make him see me with somebody else, although him say me and him break up.
Oh.
And treat me good, you understand?
Oh.
Raga, guess what no?
The one who you did kind of semi-break up with, him turn up.
Yeah, because him live right in front of me.
Uh-huh.
The one now where she introduced me to.
Yeah.
Him come check me, right?
Yeah.
So we go in at the house. And in my room, because I have a room. But me never lock the grill.
Uh-huh.
No, nothing.
So when did I do anything?
No, man, me just tell you no reason. Because you just meet him and so.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, the ex one come in, the one that said me and him break up.
Yeah.
Come in, Raga, and thump me,
Thump you?
Broke me nose,
And do what?
Broke me nose.
But well, him never tell us say you and him done.
So hear me now. To all me frightened.
Yeah.
Look like him still love me, because sometimes you say you break up with the person.
Yeah, quick, you have a minute here. Yeah.
You still love the person. And me say him broke my nose, Raga.
Uh-huh.
And so me jump up now. Me name do not. That is what me I said to him,
Yeah.
Because him come see we in our clothes and everything. Because to be frank, we wasn't doing anything. We was just there talking.
Right.
And me say, my face swell, Raga, my eye them closed and me couldn't see because him thump me.
Oh,
he
God.
break my nose, and then the guy I say, boy, she never tell me, him like him get panic.
Yeah.
And I say, she never tell me, say, she have somebody and don't hurt her and don't, because him see my nose like it shift, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And then no, him get panic and think say the youth are going to do him something.
Yeah.
So him run out up on the veranda and I say, I know say how the ghetto things there.
Yeah.
My father veranda full of crowd.
You're serious? Can everybody run come down and want fast?
I mix up me, I tell her, Raga, I was so ashamed.
All right. Oh, she have a leg of feed news here.
Yeah, man.
But respect for the link here.
Yeah.
Strength. All right. I will break people. I could read this. Bless up, Raga. You're the real man. A long time we did a wait for a brother like you for talk up the things them you sure sell off. More if you big up Georgia in a Barbican and make sure you know say the date set and the ring by. Bless up, Raga. Keep it real. Georgia, get an email here. Georgia in a Barbican, the date set and the ring by. Okay, I will break the Marines news soon forward.
This is News Talk 93 FM.
Itinde, ayayo, itinde. You don't know that song, the root? Yo, welcome back to the Real Jamaican Thing, the number one entertainment talk show in Jamaica. With me, Mr. Mixup and Blenda himself, Ragashanti, Miss Cherry Washbelly. Indeed, quick email. Hey, Raga, what's up? I'm a young listener, and I've been listening to you from how long now, and I'm always trying to email you. But anyway, I want to big you up, because you're the real man. You mix up just like my friend, but now watch nothing. I love both of you. Big up your listener, Cherry. She listen to you every day. All right, I want to say happy belated birthday greetings to Sandra Spencer, otherwise known as Suki, in Bridgeport, Connecticut. She listen to the show daily. And big up the party Trevor, Randy, Robert, and Juliet. And that's coming from our very own News Talk staff member, Keisha, right down there in traffic. Keisha will have strength, you know. Keisha and Tamara down there, you know. Double trouble, you know. I know it's a Lurleen in our crew, too. Keisha and Tamara and Lurleen. And them is a trio, man. I look a crew down there, you know. You touch one and you have to touch all of them, you know. But you know, out of the whole of them, you know, the Lurleen must see now, what, 40s or so. And Keisha and Tamara, them in them 20. Lurleen, man, you know Lurleen. Well, Mrs. Manning then. Oh, you know who though? It's, you know, oh, I saw Mrs. Manning, you know. Okay. But between Tamara, Keisha, and Mrs. Manning, who you think are the gangster out of three of them? Tamara the gangster. You, Edsy, you think Tamara the gangster? Who you think are gangster out of three of them? And Mrs. Manning are the gangster. What? What? Ian, let me tell you what, she had the talking of the crew. Me tell you, she had a gangster, man. She will roll deep and hard. Anyway, to the phone lines, we go top of the morning to you. Hello.
Yeah, hello, Raga.
Hey, yes.
Raga, I need part. You remember me call them on about my boyfriend drive the truck, my baby father.
Yeah, but where you the part? We get a whole heap of echo and thief your furniture.
No, them a thief your furniture. I work me there, but me have to look up in our room because I'm friend them two mixed up.
Oh, but a beer echo we I get, man.
Yeah, you hear me better now?
Yeah, we hear you better now. Yeah, better now.
I can't call about some Tuesday. I got every call a Tuesday. I pay your water on the phone. I'm going to depend on them things because I know for a good listener them out there no want your water on the call.
No, but if you cry, I don't know, man. But what go down?
Then after I tell you, say,
well, I could just remind people what happened and thing, right? Because your baby father did call, right?
Yeah.
Came out on the road, a man will drive him out on the road and call in and check in upon you and thing, right?
Yeah.
And thing and make sure say all right, the children them all right. But then a next call come in from him right away. And what happened after that?
Yeah, I get a call. After I'm out, I get back a call.
Yeah.
And I see a phone number, call me back.
Yeah.
So I answer, I say, yeah. And him say, I answer me, sir. And I say, oh, and him say, I said I start out the Friday night, so you say I answer me, sir. Yes, Sonia. So I say, Sonia, I only am Sonia, and I see me Patrick talk to. I'm going to find hello, and I'm going to find hello, so telephone cut off. I'm going to hear nothing more from him, brother. I'm going to call him, and the boy now answer the phone.
Yeah.
So anyway, Monday when I there work, after I done talk to you.
Okay.
Anyway, I said to myself, so I can prepare for what I come later when I reach home. Anyway, when I reach home, I see dinner where I cook and the most work and thing, and I see him in the house. So I'm going back, I see him on the back, I start out some things in the garden and things.
Right.
So, him come up to me and, well, when you run joke with me is one thing, but when you run joke with you is another. So I say, excuse me, what are you talking about? You know, I can't when I look a joke with you, I come take it serious and I come go on the most way. So I say, no joke, you was making a voice, I want to take me for a fool. You know, see it, and you did call one Sonia for true, and the Sonia call back, and you did go start out for true Friday night, but let me tell you something. You see, while you did start out Friday night, me the day I get my groove on, so you know more than me, Raga him grab me. I want him grab me, I say, but make up my mind this time, say, if I L or I water, me never deal with it, so I grab him back. Then to me now, Pata, how you deal with it, I say you're going to make it go, the two things them don't mean nothing to you. The two pitney them mean nothing to you. They come take care of you. They come take care of you and the pitney them. They don't mean nothing to you. I say, look at what we have not mean nothing to you because you let me fight and talk about you are going to work and rah. And only for know so you gonna people you are gonna start out with this Sonia. But you try don't make me buck she because it never goes up. Anyway, I'm dead and him talk about me no want to bring the violence, no, me no want to I'm in this and rah and him dead. I'm say, then if you know this more come grab me up for. And him say, well, you leg off for me and then you leg off for you. I'm say, me leg off for me no raga.
Yeah.
And him dead and him so come give me an hug. I'm say, you never get enough outside and that kind of hug you could have want from me. You know, look, I'm tell you something in case you never know that. You're the number one lady in my life, you know. I'm in love you, you know. I'm not going to make this relationship that's better me drain for nothing, you know. So I say, then if I never know, you would need a car and I say, the start out is much better than when I give you see a car when I come to life. But after the start out the Friday night, I want to look at you and if you want to know what kind of start out Friday night, come show you the start out, Gunner. So I say, you know, you say you come talk about this and my presence and all and look away there and sing and in the day I joke it off and sing and I get out. But rather I'm look on the two people them. I mean I say to myself, say, when me I work is a little smart and sing and you know me I say, I tell you, if you not tell about it, I tell you, come in, I tell you. This man unreasonable and them say, but I say there's nothing in this world I'm going to do for that boy, Raga. I tell you, there's nothing I'm going to do for that boy.
Zen.
I just think, say, you know, because I have a little good little family thing I go on and thing.
Yeah.
And I start out him short. I come here, girl, I start him out and start him out proper.
Zen.
You understand me, I say? So, and then I short, I start out. Don't care how me tired and him say, start out thing. You understand me? I say,
Sin.
Really, but as man on the name, I don't know the steer. Because one start out not good enough for you. So that's why I must go. But me that's why I say long I start with Raga. That's him come home and tell me about a little joke him did I make because him do well and he must say, I'm my number, my car and thing. Me know say he that's him I take me final Raga. But I who laugh first, I who laugh last. So I work up my program and I start out my thing.
Okay.
I me deaf on my foot. Good, Raga. Me not tell them to go cut left that. So soon as I come in, come take over.
You're serious?
I'm serious, Raga, serious.
At a point they reach.
Then Raga, if I can't call me, I can't call me, Sonia. You understand me? I say, at the start out, I give a Friday night and at that time, me at the yard and the them are fretting and I say, I want them all right and things I would done more little juggling and things. In one juggling, little truck and you understand
yeah.
What I say?
But since him kind of joke it out and probably not really grasp how serious it is for you, how you think you could have communicated to him? So you hear me now, this thing is way serious than you think it is, you know. How you think you could have communicated that to him?
But I'm going to see Mada, I'm show Mada because let me say, look at joke, so I'm going to take this thing for a big joke and thing. I'm going to see Mada, I'm show Mada, say, but I mean, I appreciate the way I'm dealing with me and the thing with them. You understand me?
Yeah.
I'm going to go up there night time and sing and who knows? Every night I'm saying I'm going to up there. If him have a load for go drop off overnight, I'm going to Sonia yard him there for real. You understand me? I say?
So you know in a problem now that when him out the same out there depend the work and whatever, you not problem now in terms of trust. You don't know where him really are going without that.
Exactly. You understand me? I say?
Right.
I'm going to tell you that it mash me up. I'm not telling you no like mash
But it's the first time you and him go through something like this, right?
At the first time, I never call my phone and call me. Sonia, that's why me get to find out after a long time it's a go on. You understand me? I say?
Oh, so
long time it's a go on.
So you knew about a Sonia from before?
Then I'm going to tell us some more time the phone where I ring and sing and, you know, I'm going to say and you come up and say, I'm going to answer and pass the phone game. You understand me?
Oh.
And take care of me and put them for real, you know.
For real.
Take care of me and them for real. We don't really want nothing, you understand?
You see.
I don't really put time for nothing either. Because it's how we work and we try to make a little ends meet. You understand?
Yeah.
Them all right and things.
Yeah. So you see Carl come in and a Sonia Carl for a lot. Okay.
Yeah, but you see true him used to chuck and chop off all the sun and gravel and them little thing there. And
yeah.
More time I little removal and them little. You understand me?
Yeah.
Me think say smell your car and say work and so.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's why I'm not too. Because I'm not watch him up on them something. I'm not search him for them. But more time on the phone ring and so you would see the name come up on the car, raise the phone him up. You understand?
Zen.
Also. So I tell them I couldn't be called about man. Call my friend them, tell me them listen to the program. I tell my friend them about it, you know.
Yeah.
Tell some of my friend them about it, man. Yeah, for real.
Yeah. But well, it sounds to me like him need to really understand where the levels there and thing, and him probably not understand that yet. But what may I say, you have your two youth them there, and I'm hear what you say him is actually very responsible when it comes to being a provider and being there for on a level and thing and so forth. Life, me always tell people, when you reach them level in a life, it's not black and white. Life is lived in the grey areas. You understand? So, and at the same time, I'm not going to say if you just compromise and there and make I want to give you out and this a certain way and them thing. You understand? But what would I suggest is that you probably don't want to make any snap judgment right now, any snap moves. You understand what I say? And thing, and what a reasoning with him and see what the two of them can work out. What you say about that?
You're mega do a fire for fire. You're mega do. I know if you go still and do and thing, but you know mega do. So I left work at evening time.
Yeah.
I never sit down and ball and look on the sea. I never hard over look on nothing at all and reach him just to make him ask me a question. If he never ask me nothing to say, but I can ask him about Sonia.
Yes, it. But then when you tell him say you did not get your groove on, you did just tell him that for.
I must with the pin in them, you don't get my groove on. No groove on. I know some men fit them and I know me not them and I question them too.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it did reach him though, that's why I'm grabbing you up.
That's why I'm grabbing you up, yeah, because you don't know no one else to make the sugar, you see it right? No, but me say ever call you back Tuesday yesterday, I tell you to appear violence on the show.
Okay.
And you hurt me. And I tell you I got to read.
Yes, it. No, but you see, when it comes to crying and bad, you can't call me anytime. I know nothing,
No, you see your show, your show's a vibe show, people listen to our vibes up them there, so me can't really.
No, but it's a family show too, and people.
Independent and them all them people that listen to the show and I feel bad about it and thing.
Why is it Miss Independence and them people? But you don't know, say a long time, listen, a long time Miss Independence a call. And you know about her and thing. No, man, but you see our listener now, them very caring, and you don't know, say a whole heap of woman listen to my show, and them very caring about, them look out. Because one thing, woman, when it come down to it, look out for one another too and understand and things. So, them, they're not opposed to people expressing emotions, even though those emotions might be somewhat heavy and things. See?
I probably you the ball, so come and tell the way I did feel.
Yes,
the way I did feel, I tell you.
Yes, it. But it sounds like you're in a little better space,
Yeah, me just go watch I don't like. So that's what I say. And so things are going to still try to make the girls put them, make me go put rope on my neck so she get my man to get the whole of the start out by herself.
See?
Understand the car. Him at the proper start out, definitely, but that never roll off a while, Never to get out proper the start out is I just go out.
Wait, you say film start out good too. When him a start out, him fix your business good. Cool.
That's why, and that's one thing I say. What are them not tell us say? When I go to my bed, I'm think all the start out proper, and I imagine I made all the girls when I get the proper start out. That's up the anymore.
No, for real. And them you see burning, you see when you get burned and them thing that you just see the person in the position. I get your something clear. And them thing that make you can't sleep,
But I trust me, I don't need a ball or do what I said the day before. I say, one woman call a program from Uptown. I say, the woman, Sheila.
Yeah, man.
I say, I should drive the yacht and come to September. Oh, God, that's why I love that show. That's why I tell you. No care where you fuck them and no care where you done. That show you have to put a smell for your face. Big up in the Ragashanti.
Cool. No, man, the Uptown Mixup there yesterday did proper like, wow. We could have to run it back Friday. For real.
Run it back and tell my friend about it and them say, boy, some of them need part-time, some of them catch peace, right? And run it back, man.
Alright, we're going to run it back Friday, yeah?
Big up yourself and big up your crew, them, because we love you straight.
Every time you hear partner watch nothing, I want to we love you like that. Alright? Protection.
Alright.
Yeah, man, proper thing. Here we go, email, Raga. Me have a boyfriend that have a girlfriend. You hear that email and start answer. I email a lady and say, Raga, me have a boyfriend that have a girlfriend. I know her, but she don't know me. And we have each other's email address. And so we talk on the net sometime where she tell me all our business, but all I do is laugh. If only she knew. You understand that? She says she have a boyfriend that have a girlfriend. She know her, but she don't know her. But them have each other email address. And them talk on the internet at times. And she tell her all of her business. No? And I know the woman knows she tell her all her business. They with her man. Straight pricky. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
To the world, Raga, to the world.
To the world, them for know. What go down?
Last week, me a calling a Raga. My first time call boy Raga, I tell you the truth right now. I'm nervous. Because I tell us, Raga, one day I get some proper sort out on the beach, you know, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Drive around on the beach, you know.
Uh-huh.
Raga.
Yeah.
Flash a coming out that time in the Jeep, you know.
Ooh.
Raga, I'm on top of 360.
Okay, well, careful. What you say? You saw to it, you do the 360?
Me 360, Raga.
Oh, which means if I tap, you going a full circle.
Yeah.
Okay, and?
To the world, Raga. I'm going to tell you, Raga. I like that me see a flash a come, Raga.
Oh, police.
I'm stopping on me now, stop. Me think the police them can deal with something else, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Because that, Raga, the police then come knock on the Jeep door, Raga. So we must open up.
Wow. You have to fix up them part there, yeah? Yeah, man, I want to look at you listening show, you know, and thing, and you know, them, you know.
Right.
Yeah, man, but go on top, but fix it up, yeah?
Yeah.
So what you say, you did do your thing and the police, them are forward and what, me, you know?
I say, hold on, Mike. I say, hold on. So police say, open up the door. So, Raga, open up the door. See me, I'm still at 360, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Open the door, Raga. And two police in there, Raga.
Well, you did 360, I did a propeller.
Why? All of that, Raga.
All right, go on.
And them I say, them have a ticket me. So, I say, want to ticket me for officer? For indecent exposure. But I say, officer, this is a public beach. I do my private thing. I say, I start out.
Right.
All right. Me have a money for me, Raga.
Uh-huh.
The police, them go to look at me, say, nah, go on the police, they say, I can't run the same way, Raga.
Uh-huh.
And I say, nah, go on the police station because the police station is out in the town.
Okay.
Them say, all right.
So wait, at which beach? Which beach?
Raga?
Eh?
They say, let's go work out that thing. I say, all right.
Uh-huh.
Make a deal. Who make a deal now, Raga? Boy, I tell us, then give me a raffle ticket.
What you mean?
Me fit start out myself. Raga, me pay for the ticket, me give them 1,000 for the ticket, Raga.
Uh-huh.
I know wait on the raffle for win, Raga. I know me can't win nothing, Raga.
What them to sell you a raffle ticket?
Yeah.
Me not understand. Well on. No, at which beach? Don't tell which station, just tell me the beach.
St. Mary, Raga.
Huh?
St. Mary.
Okay, a beach in St. Mary.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And them just sell you a raffle ticket?
Yes, Raga.
So the raffle not dry yet?
One at the station, see, we like how me stay, Raga, come and say me a popular, me a 360, you see it?
All right.
Yeah.
So wait, how it end up?
Yeah.
How it end up?
Why, Raga? Them left still, and me still get me start out the right way, you see it? Yeah, but at the raffle ticket, then can me out the raffle ticket in Raga.
All right.
Yeah, one next mix up for you in Raga.
All right, but you have to go show them back with that one there, yeah?
Right, Raga, come here, tell us that me call out all the man name, Raga.
All right, nobody call him name now, yeah?
Yes, Raga.
All right, shout me back, yeah? All right. Yo, we see an email here and it's like that person a prophet. Because the person, the way the email set up, the person anticipate what topic for next week. Morning Raga, just to let you know I'm enjoying your program. Anyway, put this topic into consideration. We can't say it yet, email, because we don't want nobody to pick it up yet, because today is just Wednesday. But you should know the topic you're suggesting is actually the topic that we'll be dealing with next week, all right? But we're not really touch it yet, yeah? All right. Blessings and respect. To the phone line we go. To the phone line. Hello.
Yo, Ragadan.
Greetings, my king.
You take call from man, too?
Eh?
You take call from man?
Yeah, man. Anybody can call the show. Yeah.
Before me come in my little thing here.
Yeah.
You see the more mature people when I hear the show.
Yeah.
No lose them here.
Right.
So just saying that you here, you know what to do here.
No, man, I understand that part.
It's very good. So he's a big man still, but me flex with anything, you know.
Right.
Anything at all, I tell a man. But me like to hear more the mature people at times, you know.
Right.
I don't lose them here, so because a long time we are coming, you know.
All right, my king.
Watch me. I have to watch me radio when I used to. Yeah, I said a while ago.
Yeah.
No mind here.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I know a lady here.
Yeah.
She died sometime last month here.
Yeah.
And based on here, she a thing to me from in the 80s here.
Yeah.
But I'm going to tell you what she said to me here.
Yeah.
In the 80s country here.
Yeah.
Farm business, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, when a man do book work, he get a book enough respect, you know.
Say that again.
When a man do book work and thing, you know, I tell the politician directly, get enough respect from the people in the country here.
Yes.
Farm, here.
Yes.
She married this Sunday here.
Yeah.
She come in at the office, the choose following Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah.
And me and she talk. Big woman to me still them tired because the friend I hate is here.
Yeah.
So she tell me, say, boy, when she married now,
yeah,
it's like she died now in her 80s, so she did her 60s them time, you know.
Uh-huh.
So she flocking back on the age, you know. And she also in the past, I tell her, I say, boy, then if you kiss, you know.
Yeah.
She never do that thing yet in her low, she in her 60s, and the man in her 70s them time. You know why she never kiss her?
Why?
She said, boy, she not kiss her the whole yam half and teeth because, you know, them big people normally do the brushing and thing them time, you know.
Yeah.
So I just dry like that, you know.
So she not kiss him cause what?
She never kissed before, you know. Because I say them live, you know, live in a common law thing for many years.
Yeah.
Whole 5 years.
Yeah.
Then eventually so them I get one or the one in her 70s and one was in the 60s. You know?
So the whole time she there with the man, she never kiss him.
That's the impression me get from her, you know.
And she in her 60s?
Them time, they do something for her in the 80s. You know,
it happened in the 80s, but at that time she was in her 60s.
60s. Carly said 65. Right?
And she did just get married.
And she lived common law a long time, but she never kissed for how much 40 years, you know.
She never kissed.
And the reason why she never kissed, the man never brush him teeth and she not kiss her all yam half in teeth.
Because him never brush him teeth.
I mean, so this is a true thing, you know, but based on what she tell me, you know.
Boy, that is incredible. But you know, say it's not impossible.
You know, impossible, man. You know, say a true thing.
Them old school people and thing, because them will just do them thing and nobody will not like no romance thing, you know. They can be very matter of fact and practical about them.
Last month, I was supposed to go at the funeral and I never make it. I mean, it's a reality, you know.
Okay, at 60 at that first time she kissed.
Oh, she kissed. Based on what she tell me still, you know, I mean, I have no reason for doubt her.
Yeah.
That all thing. But just try to maintain a mature audience.
All right, my king. Bless up, yeah?
Yes, I'm a big man, but me flex with anything, you know.
All right, my dupes.
You see me, I roll as a big man. I roll all the teenager, them, you know.
All right, my king.
Them would I want to take off. Why then call me no sugar daddy, but brains versus brains, you know.
Oh, all right, my dupes.
I want to run that to the right, you know.
All right, sir.
So take it easy here, sir.
Yeah, man. Go,
remember your mature audience, you know, lose it.
My respect, king.
Cool,
my respect.
Cool.
Well, will I break? We'll soon come back.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing, the real Jamaican sing thing, the #1 entertainment talk show with me, Mr. Mixup An Blenda himself, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. And what we are saying, what is the biggest mix-up you have been in? What is the biggest precker you know about? What is the biggest mix-up you know about? And think, quick email, Raga, I am moving to a new job in April and I don't think I can listen to you at my new job. Raga, I honestly can't live without your show. Can there be replays of your show on weekends or at nights, or can I get copies of your show? Okay, we're going to talk to Stephanie about the replay. Stephanie Shaw. Did you say Stephanie Shaw? Stephanie Shaw, yeah. Stephanie Shaw. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. I want to say happy belated birthday to Joanne Brown from Mullines Road. Happy belated birthday to Joanne Brown from Mullines Road. I want to say big up all of the Southside massive. Big up all of the Augustown massive. Saying Angola, Judgment Yard, Bryce Hill, River, Jungle 12, Woomdong / Vietnam, Goldsmith Villa, Dance Land. Saying big up all massive and crew from Augustown. And I don't know everything. Hermitage massive. Elisa Flats. What we say? More peace. Come on, crew. Saying Standpipe and Papine and Kintyre Massive and Garden Town and Mavis Bank and all the men's there. Large upon herself, man. Proper thing. St. Mary, Mile Gully, St. Mary, Jessica, Shesha, Gale, Araka, Bessa, Highgate, the whole nine. I want to say Garden Paris, Miss Ermine Country, Ocherios crew, Exchange crew, seeing large up St. Anne's Beer, proper thing, all of my Chilani crew, them, seeing, what's your name again over Chilani? Something another post. Pearly Puss. Larger Pearly Puss over there in Chilani. Big up Lukadoos family. Maximum respect to Lukadoos. Straight every time, yeah? Big up all St. James Montego Bay family. Of course, if Ed's at the place, we can. Big up all the place and a big up Hanover. Saying Hopewell crew, Lucy crew, and the whole nine. Westmoreland family, Sav family. Now watch none where the two little boy them come from. The 7-year and the 8-year who left this and go catch plane. Go try catch plane out of Montego Bay airport large up. St. Elizabeth proper thing, man. And I don't know some love this. I like, wow. Pepsi Country, now watch not the Crawford, St. Elizabeth, Black River family, Santa, Malvern link up this and I watch not the blessings and respect, yeah? Junction, Top Junction, Bottom Junction, everything, Dickie and the whole family down there. Yeah, Pepsi are the dopes. Them if you understand themselves, man, you're king of St. Elizabeth Pepsi. And Christopher Tufton know that. Well, we don't know if some people are going to think Pepsi are king, you know, because we have other people who come from St. Elizabeth. And big up PJ Patterson anyway, the Westmoreland man and thing and whatever. The most honorable PJ Patterson with a bag of money at chill right here now. And a easy and a go through proper thing PJ. A whole heap of work you do for that, them for understand themselves. Now watch nothing here. All right, and big up Blinds. That's an affectionate term. But anyway, the most honorable Edward Philip George Siaga. Anybody live at West Kingston, you know, say Blinds or call. Big up Portia Simpson Miller, big up Bruce Golden, big up Mama and the driver and Mama. Saying big up Bruce and big up Pernell Charles, I die half a year same way. Proper thing, saying. And big up Bobby Pickers Gale, aka Time of the Month and thing. And big up former Minister of Justice, AJ Nichols, what we call AJ Nicholson again? Hanky Panky, man. AJ, the watch nothing, you're the boss and thing. See? Big up Andrew Onis and thing. Big up everybody. Big up all Edson too. And thing. Big up Ruth. And thing look pop down in the day like, wow. But everything is everything and thing. Big up KC, big up Calabar, big up JC, big up Woolmans, big up St. Jacob, big up all high school. The champs are come up, safe thing we want. To the phone lines, we go top of the morning to you. Hello. Okay, bounce another call for me. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Yes.
Morning.
Yes, Medea.
How you do?
Well, Medea, I give thanks.
Yeah, I have a mix-up for you.
All right, just talk loud and send it on, yeah?
Yeah. I used to live in this tenement yard.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I have this couple.
Yeah.
Married couple.
Yeah.
Living in this tenement yard.
Yeah.
The wife sings on the choir at a certain church.
Yeah.
And the man, a deacon in a church.
Yeah.
Every Saturday, the two of them dress up hands in hands, gone to church.
Right.
But after a while, the husband no want to go to church.
Uh-huh.
Him always a find excuse to tell him wife say, him either feel sick or him tired.
Uh-huh.
So she leave him.
Right.
Alright, at this point, the man have a big daughter.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yeah.
Where it would have come up on a Saturday.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Through a tenement yard, me live on one side of the house and them live on one side.
Uh-huh.
Me get suspicious now when the wife gone to church and the big daughter come.
Right.
So, me find out say the man asleep with the big daughter. The daughter, when the daughter come on Saturday. So
then a female daughter?
Yes. So that's why him no want go to church.
Uh-huh.
Anyway.
But how you find out say him asleep with him daughter?
Wait, no, Raga. Remember say a board house, you know, it was board house, right?
Uh-huh.
So when the wife gone to church, what him do, them have little children in the yard.
Uh-huh.
The father would have sent out the little picnic them like go buy bag juice. The bag juice so them make and put in a plastic bag, remember them bag juice?
Yeah. Suck, like, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So when him send them now, 12 little pitney them, they now come back same time.
Yeah.
So we down the road, I play with them friend.
Yeah.
So him not ask, oh, they not come back or anything. So me now would I climb up through one hole and peep. And
you climb up and peep through the hole?
Yes.
Okay.
And she say, that a go on.
Okay, so and you see?
Yes, me and the wife are good friends, but me never know how to tell her because she love this man to death.
So wait, you actually see the thing that go down?
Yes,
The father sort out him daughter?
Yes.
Him big daughter?
Yes, but me can't tell the wife because she gonna make scandal and say I lie. Nobody not gonna believe me.
Right.
I have to live with it. One day now, me have 2 girl children.
Right.
One big one and a little one. So me know so the little one would have gonna make nice or whatever. She not understand that much, but through the other one, that about 7 or 8.
Yeah.
Me call her from outside. She was out there playing and said to her, or maybe a little old, and say, come here, let me show you something, because I wanted to protect them.
Right.
Right. So me call her and me show her the hole. And me said to her, climb up there, so, and look through the hole and see what you see. She climb up, and when she look through the hole and she drop off of the chair. Because she said to me, Mommy, what am I do? I'm frightened and get nervous now, you know. And I said, Mommy, what am I do? So I explained to her and tell her what he was doing.
Yeah.
The little one, now she was fat and she was pretty. So I noticed him always play with the little one all the while, and I watch him on tickler and whatever. So I call she one day now, the big one get afraid of him, you know, so she now go near him.
Right.
So the little one would play with him because she don't understand. So one day I call the little one and say to the little one, say, don't make anybody touch your ear and anybody touch your dear. Whatever, you must bawl out and say, Mommy say you mustn't touch me dear.
Right.
One day now, me inside of the kitchen and he was on the veranda playing with her. And me hear when she bawl out and say, Mommy say you mustn't touch me. Right, that's the little one.
Right.
Anyway, me not say anything. Alright?
Yeah.
One day now, same Saturday again, him stay home and the big daughter come and the wife gone to church. Me in the kitchen I cook as usual raga. Church over now and the wife I come home from church. I mean at the kitchen and I hear the woman raga. Bad word. She just come from church and she didn't even reach in the yard yet, you know. Bad word and a ball and I go like she mad. Bad word. So me run now out of the kitchen and say, Jesus Christ, I want the eggs. I wonder if a man she get mad. So when me come up, me see her in the middle of the yard and she a ball and I cuss the bad word them and with her handbag in her hand, her book what she carry to church, her Bible, everything. So me I said to her, I say, warm to you, and all she could do, a constable of a bad with them, and I carry on. So me say, warm to you. She can't talk, she just a ball and a carry. So when she reached on the veranda now, she said, Jesus Christ, and she called me name, and she said, Jesus Christ, so you know see what me. So me said, no, warm, come in, no warm, warm to you, we are one so far. She said, you know, she said, my husband I have sex with him daughter. So me say, where you get that from?
Right, you know.
She say, yes, you know, see, look on the line. So me I say, what up on the line? Me not see nothing on the line. But when me look at the line, there was a little towel on the line. So she said to me, say, that what up on the line, that. So me say, what? She said, the towel. So I said, what about the towel? She said, that's the towel when she and her husband, whatever, that's the towel they use. So it's like the husband now use the towel and then wash out the towel and put on the line. So the man gone, you know, and the child is still there. So she go in now and start lick up the pitney. The child was about 16 because she was still going to school. I beat up the pitney and I say, what she and her husband they are doing, you know, the child.
So the child, they say, is about 16?
Big pitney, Raga.
16?
Understand, yes.
About 16, sure,
yes,
16?
Big girl.
Okay.
So when the woman start lick up the pitney and ask the pitney how go down and she really tell, say, at that, she throw out the child, she fling out the pitney. I think the child used to live with them too. She fling out the pitney and said the pitney must come out of them house. Instead of she fling out the man, she fling out the pitney. Anyway, the pitney go back home and come back at town to her family. When the pitney come back at town to her family now, the man have a next daughter, younger little pitney now.
Well, but then the pitney come back at town to her family. So what go on between she and the husband?
Oh, the wife and the husband?
Yeah.
She know, it cool down, you know. It cool down, everything cool down. So
but she run out her pitney?
No, I no fear the pitney. Or the man pitney, I no fear.
Oh, so the man daughter, but it's not fear daughter.
So she run out the picnic because she claims that the picnic put up with it and uphold with it and not tell her.
Oh, yeah, a 16-year-old picnic uphold with it, a big man. Yeah, fine.
Come back
yeah,
and town,
whatever.
come live with her family.
Uh-huh.
When the picnic come back, she never have no daughter, you know, she have 2 sons. The man have a next younger daughter, and she now take in back again the younger daughter. When she take in the younger daughter now, the man start do the same thing with the younger daughter.
The one way younger than 16?
Yes.
About how old I one day?
Maybe she was about 12 at the time, and she fine. And when
Well on, 12?
Yes. And
you sure?
Yes. Put my head on the block and cut it off.
So
yes,
I want to find out about the 12-year. But
because him start to do the same thing. Because me know say me that do it with the 16-year-old. Because me hear the sound in the house and me look and see. Right? And then he run out the big one and take in the smaller one and him start do the same thing with the smaller one. When me look now this time, me have the smaller one across his lap. Until she reach the age now when could have start do it with her. And until now, the small one live near to him and disrespect the wife in any kind of way, any shape, any form, and he never, he can't say nothing.
The small one, I disrespect the wife.
She grew up big now. Mm-hmm.
She grew up big now.
Yeah, man, she grew up big and have children of her own. Have 2 children, but and during the time there, the little ones that have disrespect her, the worst we, and he can't do nothing and he can't say anything about it.
This is the wife can't say nothing about it?
She can't say anything. And the husband now said, no, the husband now. You understand, like some husband mother try to put a stop to it?
Right.
He's not saying anything.
But at no point did anybody call police?
No, because at the time, I think about no police. Me uncle try to protect my 2 little girls, them.
But some people will listen and so when you show your daughter that probably you never quite do the right thing. But you're saying you did it so that she know exactly what the man is like?
Yes,
and you think you did the right thing?
Yes, because him couldn't go near her, none at all.
Oh, so you are saying that it achieved the objective you set out for?
Yes.
Because once you show your daughter that your daughter, she just make sure say him not come near her at all.
Because let me tell you why I did.
But you never want to show the other little one?
No, because she's too small. She not understand.
But you tell her how she...
Yes, and she bawl it out the day.
Okay. So this man is just a 24/7 pervert then?
Yes.
A pedophile and a pervert and a rapist.
My daughter got to see. Him love to carry the children, they got to see. And my daughter and some other children got to see. A soldier guy was living next door to us.
Yeah.
And he went to see too. And when him got see him, him come back to my daughter to carry her out in the sea.
Yeah.
And she run out of the sea and go wait for the soldier there and said, don't make him touch me. You know what? After the guy hold her and said, what you going to find? Said, no, don't make him touch me. She run from the sea and come home. Left them down at the sea and come straight home to me and tell me, say, I try to get her out in the sea. So you see, maybe it looked like me do the wrong thing at the time, but at the same time, him couldn't get close to her.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So you think I'm still going with them thing, I know?
I don't know. Him a big man now and him not in the church anymore. Somebody when me talk to still. Somebody when me still talk to.
But what
and
you
at the time when him a do it, him a deacon in a church.
Him a deacon in a church? What is it with these deacons?
Him a deacon in a church.
And a deacon they do the last thing when I met the boy and rape the girl where they dip on the video about the place.
Yeah, man.
And the church I protect the deacon. But so, and when him a do it, he must deacon in a church.
Yes.
And basically I sexually abuse him daughter. Him picking them.
Children them, because she tell me afterwards me and her talk and she tell me say more than one night she get up and find him in the picnic room, turn up over the big one.
Who says so?
The wife tell me that.
But what I say is, particularly when I do it with a 12-year-old, I say, nobody no think for call police or whatever.
Nobody no know. I was the only one who knew. I whispered and tell one big woman and she said, shh. Because nobody now go believe you because them are deacon and then stush natural. But me take me 2 eye every up.
No, but what I said was like, if you look back on this, you know, what you could have done different, you know, for protect the girl where you say she grew up now and she hype on them all. But at the age of 12 and thing, 12 or whatever age him did I do that to her. In looking back on it, what different you could have done for protect her from that, to stop them thing that happened to her?
Reggae, honestly to God, I don't know, because as I tell her before, the wife is not going to believe it. She neither believe nothing.
No, but take the wife out of the picture. You don't think so? We could have someone could have called police and say, yo, that man you sleep with him 12-year-old daughter.
If I was thinking at the time, probably I could do it and set them up for seat for themselves.
Yeah.
But I wasn't thinking at the time, because then time they me young and then something there. You understand?
Okay, what you say? You never really know if you think that weird.
No, me not think that weird, because me young, me just in my early 20s, just reached 20.
Oh, okay,
you know?
Okay, me understand. But right now, like we are talking about this on the air, on the radio, we just want to reiterate. It's a good idea, right? You don't think for reiterate to the people, if you see a man asleep with him 12-year-old daughter, I don't care. Inform on that. Inform on that. Call police on that.
I would do it.
Call police on that. And if I a relative, you call police on it.
Yeah.
And no found no woman out there who know say who have man abuse the pity them and whatever. And because you no fear this and that and whatever, leg on the man and protect the child.
Yeah.
You see it? You see it for real, big and serious.
Yeah.
Why I tell you, why you know respect for the link here. We have a song we're gonna play right now related to what you say. Yeah.
Yes,
all right. Bounce a tune there. Right away, give me that Exhale tune there. Turn it up.
Why the big man them don't want the big man them? All them do is walk up and down and feed up the little children. It's a shame.
Listen to tune from Exhale.
Look how them look fine. Yet still, a little pick.
Listen to tune from Exhale. A group you bust this year. Exhale. Tell them.
I wonder why. Wonder why. Wonder why. Some big man won't stop trouble the 10-year-old.
Box it back again for the top, man. Well, man, John. But tell you, say that group, you Exhale, man. Why, like, hey, we just take off the song. Exhale, we just take off the song today, no?
Don't want the big man them.
We never have plan for bring it. And this morning, someone just put on that song and thing. May I tell you, no, honestly, hold on, bounce it low. Honestly, because you know, I make a CD every morning. And I just have a bunch of tunes. And I just see them and say, no, I'm going to just draw the Exhale. I mean, I'm iTunes, I draw over the song and watch the call what we just get. Bounce it from the top and turn it up. I have some big crafty ass steering man out there. I think 12-year-old.
From what day, I wonder. Why the big man them don't want the big man them? All them do is walk up and down and feed up the little children. It's a shame. Look how the woman them look good. Look how them look fine. Yet still, a little pit in them want left and wine. You know? I wonder why. Wonder why. Some big man won't stop trouble the 10-year-old. They said them troubling the 10-year-old. Big man, on up it happy, go look somewhere else but your water. Go and go check. Missy Mona live a 9-year-old daughter. And where you could have see in a liquor session, a better left. Lick up it me and look woman visada. You sick in your head, better go see a doctor. If you fast with a pitney where your feet are a lacta. The charge for abuse with your carnal behavior. It better you go back to your savior. I wonder why. Some big man won't stop trouble the 10-year-old. They said them troubling the 10-year-old. Big man, said this serious. I not joke me and make us be furious. Cause some man nowadays too dangerous. Don't know who to trust round your children anymore. But if me ever catch a crop, where you ramp with me pitney, then him out of luck. And that a go make me start think evil us. So big man no loss. Find a woman where you're 24. I wonder why. Some big man won't stop trouble the 10-year-old. They said they're troubling the 10-year-old. I wonder why. Some big man won't stop trouble the 10-year-old. them troubling, them troubling, them troubling, them troubling, troubling the 10-year-old. You hear me? Who no fit happy? Go look somewhere else but your water. Go and go check. Missy Mona leave a 9-year-old daughter. Away you coulda see in a little Sashana. Better left the pitney and look woman visada. You sick in your head, better go see a doctor. If you fast with a pitney where your feet by a lacta. The charge be abuse with your carnal behavior. It better you go back to your savior. I wonder why, wonder why, wonder why, wonder why, wonder why, wonder why. Some old tough man won't stop trouble the 10-year-old. They said them troubling, them troubling, them troubling, them troubling, troubling the 10-year-old. I wonder why, wonder why, wonder why, wonder why, wonder why, wonder why. Some great man won't stop trouble the 10-year-old.
Yeah, man, inside the sound of the group called Exhale. I remember we tell us that group they are going to bust this year, you know, on the Nerds music label and thing, you know, because lyrics like them, they're quite relevant to the caller just talk about and thing, you see me? And what go on in our country right now, and where I say, if there's some big man out there, I saw a 12-year-old and all them something there. Inform upon them, me say so. And if them want vex, I come defend it with me, send them to me. Everything is everything, you see it? The real Jamaican singing Ragashanti live with me, Mr. Mixup An Blenda himself. Ragashanti, blessings and respect.